Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to have different footers in Google Docs. So this is very simple, just follow my steps. Press Insert, then go down to Page Elements and insert a footer. As you can see on the first page, remember to select different first page. Tick this box, this is essential. And now insert your footer name 1. As you can see, footer name 1. Now I will go to the second one, double click and insert footer name 2. Now as you can see, I have this footer named 2 and footer named 1. This is basically how to have different footers. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.